Why should I keep HVAC maintenance records? Keeping HVAC maintenance records helps you prove that the system was cared for, spot problems early, protect warranties, and make future repairs faster and less expensive. These records create a simple history of your heating and cooling system from the day it was installed. Write down service dates, filter changes, inspections, repairs, replaced parts, and the technician's recommendations. Include the equipment model and serial numbers because this helps a technician find the correct parts without guessing. Records can also show patterns, such as a system that loses refrigerant repeatedly or a furnace that needs the same repair every winter. This information may help you decide whether one more repair makes sense or whether replacement would cost less over time. Some manufacturers require proof of regular maintenance before honoring certain warranty claims, so save invoices and detailed service reports. Maintenance records may also support a higher selling price by showing buyers that the equipment was responsibly maintained. Keep paper copies in a folder and digital photos or scans in a backup location, such as cloud storage, so the information is available during an emergency. A common mistake is saving only receipts without writing down what was inspected or repaired, so ask for a detailed service description. Another mistake is forgetting filter changes, even though clogged filters reduce airflow and make the system work harder, so record the size, date, and type of each filter. Some people also assume maintenance records are useful only when selling a house, but they can reveal repeated trouble and help prevent breakdowns, so update them after every service visit. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.